Hello, this is Galen Martling. I'm here with Unity Stamp Company creating a butterfly autumn card, and I'm going to show how I make this butterfly 3D, and I'm going to use vellum and cardstock and also some inks and Copic markers. And so for the stamping, I'm using Unity Stamp Company kit called Thankful Oak. It's a beautiful fall kit, and I'm using vellum with StazOn ink, and I'm using Copic friendly ink for the rest of the stamping. So everything was pre-stamped and die cut to get ready to color. And I'm using various colors of Copic markers, which I'll list here and on my blog. And I start with coloring the leaves, and what I did was just stagger the leaves at the bottom of the card. Just instead of using the whole leaf, I just used a portion of it. And then I wanted to make room for the butterfly at the top and the sentiment in the center. And so this is going to be a smaller card panel that's going to go right on top of a card base, but I just wanted to use a portion of the leaf because it is a large stamp, and this is just a way to use pieces of the stamp. And so I go ahead and finish coloring in that with some yellows and oranges, and I come in with green actually and a little bit of pink. I want to add a little pink and lighter shades because I'm going to color on vellum later on, and vellum turns out lighter. In fact, it looks like it has a little pink in it when you color on vellum with these colors. So I'm adding a little pink. I know fall leaves have lots of colors, and I've seen reds and pinks and other beautiful colors. So I'm trying to add that to these leaves. Now also I'm adding some browns. We don't get very much fall color here in Florida, so I enjoy coloring these up and looking at pictures online, but it would be great to have seasons here, but we don't. So I go ahead and, as much as I can, color in the leaves, and then I'm going to color in the acorns and start with the butterfly. The same colors throughout, and I like the way it turned out. Now I'm going to also add a little bit of greens, just some darker shade of greens in there. And so now for coloring on vellum, you stamp with something like a StazOn ink for one, and then you color on the opposite side. If you color on the side that you want the stamped side, it's going to show almost too dark, and it doesn't look like it's blended nicely. But if you stamp on the back part, if you color on the back part of the stamping, it looks really blended and nice and soft. You can see that the colors will appear a little bit lighter and muted, and that's fine because I'm going to use this as a 3D butterfly, and I'm going to use the vellum part as a different look, more of a shadow, if you will, towards the bottom of the butterfly. So to get that dimension, I just scored a little bit of the bottom of that butterfly just manually. You can use a scoring board if you want, and just take a bone folder or something that will make a line there so it's easier to fold that vellum. Add a little adhesive to the bottom, stick just the bottom part onto that other butterfly, and then flip that butterfly wing outward, and it will stay popped up. And when they open it from the envelope, it stays popped up. It's really nice. It's a sweet effect. So I am just adding a little bit of ink blending in a gold color onto the card front, and I'm going to use that underneath that front card panel, and it's just a little accent from behind, and you can see how pretty that butterfly is, and the color in the background is nice. It complements the card. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.